What's going on, guys? Welcome to another one. So today we're talking about my bike, the 2024 Focus Jam2. I bought the bike back in September this year and I've taken it on a bunch of different trails. Everything from smooth flow trails to steep rocky climbs, and honestly the bike's great. It is probably worth noting though that this is my first e-bike. The Focus Jam2 looks incredible. It's got clean lines and integrated cables. So what about performance? The Bosch Performance Line CX motor is an absolute beast. I've only actually ridden the Shimano motor, which to me felt like the power delivery wasn't as good. I guess that's personal preference. This Bosch motor makes 85 Newton meters of torque, and honestly climbing up super steep rocky ascents feels effortless. It's also got a 750 watt hour battery, which is more than enough to take you out for a few rides or a few hours quite easily. One of the standout features about the Bosch system is just how natural the power delivery feels. So let's talk about the suspension. It's got 160mm up front and 150 rear travel. One of the downsides of, I guess, any e-bike is the weight. So this thing with the new coil and the Axis drivetrain weighs in at about 26 kilos, so it's definitely on the higher end for an e-bike. That being said, the only time you really notice the weight is when you're doing jumps. So the question is, why did I buy this bike? I really enjoy getting out on my mountain bike, but the problem I always had was that my fitness sucked. So getting an e-bike made sense, and honestly I haven't looked back once. So if you're in the market for an e-bike, I highly recommend the Focus Jam2. I think you get a lot for your money and I haven't had any issues to date. So if you like these videos and want to see more of my mountain bike content and DJ sets and whatever else I start posting, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.